grinding out a bumper here. What are you working on here today? Looks like a bumper.
I'm making a rear bumper for it. I'm just cleaning it up for I'll clean it all up like this, then I'll prime it and paint it, and he can have it any color that he wants as long as it's black.
Oh, okay. So, is this just a spare bumper, or is this going on the 1966?
This is real thick tube steel. It's a quarter-inch thick. It's very strong.
Okay.
These are the ears to mount it to the frame.
Okay.
You want to look back here. It's not very clean, but this frame here is solid, thick pipe, eh?
Yeah.
So this gets welded on here, and then this gusset, and then the bumper drops on here and bolts on with 4 bolts, so you can take it off at any time.
Okay.
5/8 bolts.
So this replaces the Icelandic hitch.
This replaces the Icelandic hitch. He's going to come and get them tomorrow. He can give it to some of his buddies down south,
Okay.
south of him. Strong enough to mount ice auger on if they want.
Okay.
Ice auger can slide hydraulically or manually out here and auger right here.
Okay. Okay, so progress.
A little bit, yep.
That's the 1966
Wide gauge.
wide gauge that belongs to Corey and Candace Spring of Riverton.
They're coming here tomorrow with a rebuilt automatic transmission that'll replace this.
Okay.
Then I'll cut the drive shaft to fit and put a caliper brake on there.
Yeah.
And I already have the shifter for the dash.
Okay.
And they're going to have power steering. You have to cut all that out.
Okay.
So they'll have a good machine.
So this is like the start of all the big projects on this machine, yes?
That's right.
Okay.
This was never closed in, but it is now. It salvages a lot of heat.
Okay. Okay.
All right, we're going to call her a day.